In this video I'm going to solve a palindrome number. First we need to take variable, its name is v, and we need to convert it into as a string. Then later we need to check base conditions. V of length of total string, if it is less than or equal to 1, and V of starting number, it starts with index 0, and if it is equal to 0, then we need to return true. Elif len of v is less than or else equals to 1, and v of then return true. This condition is actually used to check a single digit number, like which starts from 0 to n, not 10. Elif len of v is greater than or equals to 1, and v of this is used to reverse the string, and it should be equal to v of 0 from starting index to last index. This is from last index to starting index. We need to check for the palindrome. Then later if minus not in v, then we need to return true. Else we need to return false. Now let's run this. Please subscribe to my channel.